Welcome to Daily C1 English Vocabulary, 5 business idioms. To sound like a native at work. Let's begin. On the ball. Alert, competent, and quick to understand or react. Doing a job well and efficiently. Synonyms: on top of things, sharp, switched on.
He was on the ball during the meeting and answered every question clearly. You need to be on the ball during the client presentation. They ask tough questions. Our customer support team is on the ball. Response time is under 2 minutes.
Drop the ball. To make a mistake or fail to do something you were responsible for. Synonyms: mess up, fail, slip up.
He dropped the ball during the negotiation and lost the deal. She admitted she dropped the ball but promised to fix it by Monday. Don't drop the ball on this deadline. It's really important.
On the table. Available for discussion or consideration, openly proposed and not yet decided. Synonyms: on the agenda, under consideration, available as a possible option.
Salary increases are on the table if we hit our targets this year. Several options are on the table, but no decision has been made yet. Let's put all ideas on the table and brainstorm from there.
Bring something to the table. To contribute a useful skill, idea, resource, or perspective to a group or project. Synonyms: contribute, offer, provide value.
She brings a lot of creative energy to the table, which our team really needs. He doesn't have much technical skill, but he brings great connections to the table. What kind of experience do you bring to the table for this specific role?
Connect the dots, join the dots. To understand the full picture by linking separate pieces of information. Synonyms: figure out the pattern, put 2 and 2 together, piece together.
It took me a while to connect the dots, but now I understand what happened. Once I connected the dots, I realized she had been lying the whole time. Investors are starting to connect the dots about the company's real financial situation.
Today we've learned: on the ball, drop the ball; on the table, bring something to the table, connect the dots. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.